Alright guys, as you can tell where we just came from by our hats we're wearing. Anyways, today we are heading out and we're going to do some Tsinela shopping for Hannah Grace. If you don't know what a Tsinela is, Tsinelas are slippers, flip-flops, sandals. There's multiple words for them, but anyways guys, that's what's on the agenda. We're actually going to head up to Jenra Mall up here. We were just up there the other day, and but I know they have them up there, so that's where we're heading right now. I'll go that way. Oh yeah, look, I'm going in here. Hello.
Come in, sir.
Thank you. Hello.
Yes, sir. What can I do, sir?
I'm looking right now. Lots of sneakers. Have Tsinelas in here, look?
Where?
I don't know. All sneakers.
Front.
These are all good quality knockoff brand sneakers. Huh. They sell it all in here.
Yes, sir. What are you looking for?
I'm just looking right now.
T-shirts.
I see you have pretty much everything in here. T-shirts, sneakers.
Tribal T-shirts. We have also jackets, pants.
Oh, watch out.
Sorry.
I will be back. I'm looking. I know you're here.
Okay.
I will be back. Thank you. Salamat. Yeah, I'll be back in there. Feet shop.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Oh. No, I don't need juice yet. Thank you. Louis Vuitton.
Yeah.
Is that Louis Vuitton? Is that real? Oh, knock off.
Sagit talaga yan. Na? Sagit ka? Bantang.
Oh, food court. What are these?
Papaya, sir.
Papaya?
Yeah, with shrimps.
It's little shrimp, right? Pahoy?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Beruya.
grocery store back in here. Yeah, grocery store. No, thank you. Alright guys, so while I was walking around filming, they got Hannah Grace her Tsinelas. Very nice Tsinelas, and they were only 150 pesos. There they are. Hannah Grace's new Tsinelas. Alright, now we're in this Tsinelas store here, this little store. And we gotta get a pair of plain Tsinelas. Tsinelas that Hannah Grace can just use outside playing around. So
Because I know your feet.
well, you have to try them on her.
Yeah, I know, but remember when she did something, she always jumped around.
Maybe she needs these fish Tsinelas.
You need this?
No? Okay.
No,
Too small?
that's a little bit small.
Mm. Alright guys, so there it was, Jenra Mall. Like I said, we were up here the other day. Went inside real quick, but kind of left real quick. But anyways, a nice little mall. A lot of knockoff brands and stuff in there, which I kind of like. Just a lot of different things. It's not big, super SM mall with a lot of the name brands and stuff in there, but neat little mall. Glad I found it, and we'll definitely be coming back there.